Now let's demonstrate the replacement of the SUP22C Collimator lens. Loosen the 3 set screws of the QBH lock. Slowly remove the QBH lock. Cover with masking tape to keep ash out. Remove the locking ring. Remove the compression ring. Replace the collimator lens. Make sure the convex side of the lens is facing up. After replacement, reinstall the compression ring. Tighten the locking ring. After replacement, put the QBH lock back into the gun. Attention for installation. Make the mark on the bottom of the QBH lock with the upper set screw in a straight line. Lock the setting screws. Collimator lens replacement completed.